Hi y'all, just doing a real quick video on some quick lunch ideas. As always, you can add more or less, but I always like to have a main course, a fruit, a vegetable, a snack, and a treat. Now, what I went ahead and did is this is kind of a low carb lunch. What I'm planning on doing is how they can be able to eat it, or you can even say it's like kind of like a chicken salad too, depending on how you want to present it. But the way we're planning on eating it is grabbing some lettuce, putting it inside of the meat, or putting the meat inside of the lettuce, and then we have ranch dressing, or my little one, he doesn't really eat ranch dressing, so I gave him kind of some sweet and sour sauce that he can put inside with it. So you can either put the meat inside of the lettuce and put the cucumber in it and eat it, however you want to eat it. But this is basically what we have. We have some roasted chicken breasts here, and I went ahead and I cut it myself. And then we have lettuce here, and then we have here some sour cream and onions, Pringles, but they're kind of mashed up. This one's actually my lunch, so I went ahead and took the ones that were crunched up. And then we have some cucumbers here, and then we have some cashew sea salt and some grapes. And then you can also serve it, excuse me, with some ranch dressing as well. So anyway, this is just a quick lunch ideas that you can be able to make for you, your friends, family, and loved ones. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, and definitely, God bless.